It's a beautiful Tuesday morning again. Welcome back to the channel. So I'm about to have my hair cut again. I know some of us will say, why is she always cutting hair? I have a baby girl. Me looking for someone to make my baby hair, and also looking for the person who's going to make my own hair, booking appointment. Everybody is very busy in this Europe, and I don't know how to make hair. That is the thing I don't really like for myself. I wish I know, then I would have learned how to make hair. Well, not too late, I can still do that. So my husband is about to have my hair cut this morning. So let me start my vlog with this morning, okay?
Low-key, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me. Since '06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me.
So guys, I'm not that type that will cut her front hair, you know. I just want to load the hair. This is like this, something like this. So it's okay now. But yeah, we have to do more work. So this is me when I'm guys, I finished cutting my hair. This is what I'm looking at. So I'm about to take my bath now. So let me just start with you guys. First and foremost, let me just wet my face while I go ahead and wash my face. My face wash. More water, but the foam is not coming out properly the way I want it to be. See that? This.
That's where I go, I'll be there. I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful Thursday morning. Yes, this is Thursday morning, Thursday the 12th of December. So I'm heading out now. I have an appointment with my doctor, and also I will go to store to get a few things for the house. Still, let me talk to you guys before I head out. Okay, I will see you guys later. Bye. Hi guys, so I'm through from my daughter's place and I'm going into this store. Look at this store. This Christmas tree is so beautiful, but I'm going to buy a wardrobe organizer for my wardrobe. So that is what I'm going to do in the store, because I'm not here for this Christmas tree. Look at how gorgeous this looks. Alright guys, I'll see you later when I'm in the supermarket. Bye.
I wanna be in your life.
Buongiorno.
I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. Still ahead of the light. Go more. Hold you from life.
This is the thing I love. It's organized. That's what that one.
So tight, coming closer.
I'm just going. This is vanilla.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. No fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. My set full of the stars. Yeah, you shall find it. It's a bad vibe.
Hi guys. guys, good evening. I'm back in the house. So if you have not seen my hair, this is my hair. This is what I'm looking like now, and this is my new look. I kind of like this hair. So today I just decided to throw on my lashes. Yeah, this is, I just put my lashes on to give it that volume, and it looks so cute. Me looking like this is just beautiful. I love it. I love it. So I just want to show you guys the things I got. I've already some in the kitchen, so I want to show you this particular tool which I bought from Conan. My ladies who are looking for omega-3 and magnesium, you can find it in Conan. This is the one they have in Conan. Yes, omega-3, DHA, EPA, all those stuff. In this place they wrote on it olio di pesce. It's called fish oil. In Italian it's olio di pesce. It's fish oil. Okay, you can find it there, and it costs 13 euro something, almost 14 euro. Yes, it's a good deal and I like it. I just got one because the one I was using before now is I got it for about 30 something euro. That was other marker though. It's not this marker. The marker was different. I don't have the case. I would have showed you guys. Don't worry, I will look for the case and place it on the screen so that you guys will see what I'm talking about. Let's move to the other one. So this magnesium. This is magnesium. Magnesium is very good for you. Ladies, if you have not been taking this is really, really nice. Magnesium is very good for, mostly for we ladies, it's very good for us. It helps you to, I've noticed it. The day I did not take this magnesium, it's like my sleep is not the same. But the day I will take it, I sleep very well. Help you to relax, calm your nerves, bring everything down for you to relax. This thing is very nice. Believe it or leave it. Go and get it. You need one of it. It's very good for you. All right, that be said, so I got this my wardrobe organizer. I showed you guys in my previous, no, in my last clip. Yeah, I got 4 of these, so I'm going to use this to organize my wardrobe because there are a lot of clothes on it and it's not that big. There's not enough space for that bigger one, so I just want to use this to put everything so that everything will look organized and neat. So when you are looking for something, I just know when to get it and know where it is. Not me just scattering everything and dropping everything on the floor before I could find what I'm looking for. So that's why I decided to get all this wardrobe organizer. They don't cost much. One of them costs 8 euro. Yes, I got 4 of it. Yeah, I got 4 of it. So that is what I'm going to do this evening. The kids are back from school. They are in the living room watching cartoon. So now I will just go ahead and organize my wardrobe. Okay, I will see you guys when I am through. All right, bye for now.
Loki, all of them don't be noticed. I'm not joking. All my guys, them know me. Since 06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me low. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I get lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly. Love, yes, in the way, put me leave her. I do make the world I'm a sinner. Yeah, nobody will be over. And I'm the Lord that they go far. Who's the road when I live far? That's something you do, she die. And then I really put you too far. If I know I got she die.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over.